Can't seem to go anywhere these days and not find a bunch of old muscle cars to sell. Had to stop and check these out. This one's badged, this is GTX 440. Looks like it was restored at some point. Petrograph shifter and new interior. Doesn't look like a whole lot of rust. There's a little bit in that bottom quarter down there. This one here is a Ford Torino. Not going to talk too much about that one, but there's that beautiful GTX again. This one's going to be a 1971 Dodge. Looks pretty clean. No idea what it's got under the hood, but the interior is nice and neat. There's the seller's number if you want it. Landau top. D-badge all together. Not such a bad look though. With a nice valley stripe there. Spoiler. And last but not least, your Torino GT convertible. This was the nicest of the bunch, I think. Automatic. No idea what's under the hood, but should be a great cruiser. Look at this beautiful yellow paint job, valley wheels, convertible top. And that, folks, is yet another muscle car find.